Everyone, in this video we will cover what is loan, types of loan, which loans companies are providing loans in USA, difference between loan and mortgage. So these topics will be covered in this video. So keep to the video till end. I hope you will like the video. So first of all, we will learn the definition of loan. Uh, what does mean of the word loan? A thing that is borrowed, especially a sum of money that is expected to be paid back with interest. This is called loan. So interest loan is haram in Islam. I I am telling you before this about this before starting the video. Lend some money or item of property is also known as loan. So credit, which word is similar to credit? What does mean by credit? So check about credit. What asserts loan? In finance, a loan is lending of money by one or more individuals, organizations, or other entities to other individuals, organizations, etc. The recipient incurs a debt and it usually liable to pay interest on that debt until it repaid, as well as to repay the principal amount borrowed. So what are the four types of loans? Personal loan, credit card loans, home loans, car loans, two-wheel loaners, small business loans, paid day loans, cash loans. So it will be best to if we open the site, and so they have not given us access of this website. So loan definition and types. So open this website, corporatefinanceinstitute.com. Already we have learned the definition of loan. So go further. Types of loan. Loans can be classified further into secured and unsecured, open-end and closed-end, and conventional types. Secured and unsecured loans. A loan is one that is backed by some form of collateral. For instance, most financial institutions require borrowers to present their title deeds or other documents that show ownership of an asset until they repay the loans is full. Other assets that can be put up as collateral are stocks, bonds, and personal properties. Most people apply for secured loans when they want to borrow large sum of money. Since lenders are not typically willing to lend large amounts of money without collateral, they hold the recipient's assets as a form of guarantee. Some common attributes of secured loans include lower interest rates, strict borrower limits, and long repayment periods. Examples of secured borrowing are a mortgage, boat loan, and auto loan. Conversely, an unsecured loan means that the borrower does not have to offer any asset as collateral. With unsecured loans, the lenders are very thorough when assessing the borrower's financial status. This way, they will be able to estimate the recipient's capacity for repayment and decide whether to award the loan or not. Unsecured loans include items such as credit and card purchases, education loans, and personal loans. Open-end and closed-end loans. A loan that can also be described as closed and open-end loans. With an open-ended loan, an individual has the freedom to borrow over and over. Credit cards and lines of credits are perfect examples of open-ended loans, although they both have credit restrictions. A credit limit is the highest sum of money that one can borrow at any point. Depending on an individual financial wants, he may choose to use all or just a portion of his credit limit. Every time this person pays for an item with his credit card, the remaining available credit decreases. With and closed end loans, individuals are not allowed to borrow again until they have repaid them. As one makes repayments of the closed end loans, the loan balance decreases. However, if the borrower wants more money, he needs to apply for another loan from scratch. The process entails presenting documents to prove that they are credit worthy and waiting for the approval. Examples of closed-end loans are mortgage, auto loans, and student loans. Third is conventional loans. The term is often used when applying for a mortgage. It refers to a loan that is not insured by government agencies such as the Rural Housing Service (RSH). Things to consider before applying for a loan. For individual planning to apply for loans, there are few things they should first look into. These includes credit card score and credit history. If a person has good credit score and history, it shows the lender he is capable and making of repayments on time. So the higher the credit score, the higher the likelihood of individual getting approved for a loan. With a good credit score, an individual is also a better chance of getting favorable terms. Income before applying for any kind of loan, any aspect that an individual should evaluate is his income. For an employee, they will have to submit pay stubs, WT forms, and a salary letter from their employer. However, if the applicant is self-employed, all the needs to submit is his tax return for the past 2 or more years and invoices where applicable. Monthly obligations. In addition to their income, it is also crucial that a loan applicant evaluates their monthly obligations. For instance, individual may be receiving a monthly income of 6,000 US dollars, but with monthly obligations amounting to 550 US dollars. Lender may not be willing to give loans to such people. It explains why most lenders ask applicants to list all their monthly expenses such as rent and utility bills. Final work. Final word. A loan is sum of money that an individual or company borrows from a lender. It can be classified into three main categories, namely unsecured and secured, conventional and open-end loans, and closed-end loans. However, regardless of the loan that one chooses to apply for, there are a few things that he should first assess, such as his money, income and expenses, and credit history. Additional resources. So these are the so in the rest of video we will see which US company providing best loan. So as well as we will also learn about best loan companies in USA. So these are the best loan providers in this month. Best loans of November 2021. Ad number 1 is Sofi. So check about Sofi. Ad number 2 is Lightstream. What is this? And number 3 is Upstart. And number 4 is Payoff. And number 5 is Upgrade. And number 6 is Marcus. And number 7 is Universal Credit. And number 8 is Discover Personal Loans. And number 9 is Rocket Loans. Personal loans for good to excellent credit. Sofi, Lightstream. So some detail about Sofi. Minimum credit 680. Key facts: Sofi's strong options for good credit consumers, offering low rates, no fees and flexible payments. Available term lengths 2 to 7 years. So these are the things that every loan provider have. Lightstream, minimum credit 660 and available term lengths 2 to 7 years. Upstart, no credit score is required and available terms are 3 to 5 years. Payoff, minimum credit score 600, 2 to 5 years, available term of length. Upgrade 560 credit score and 2 to 7 years, available term length and there are some universal credit, discover, some sites also they may have same things that the above sites have, so you can check them on this website known as netwallet.com for more detail. So this is was from this video. I hope you have enjoyed the video.